Video there, Dave?
What?
No.
No. Of course not.
What's that, Henry? Is he doing the wrong train? What's that, Luke? Uh-huh. Yeah? What about the ambulance?
Right now we are in the
Show us, Henry. Show us how to do it right.
What do you think about that, Luke? Oh, he meant to put it on here. It's a little small thing. Yeah, what's that? I think he means to keep it on the track. On the track, see? That's a tunnel, right? Yeah, put it through the tunnel, Luke.
Why is it so hard to distinguish between dreams and real life? And the dream I was having last night felt so real. And so did even really weird dreams. Like when you're being chased around by a six-eyed squirrel.
Six-eyed squirrel.
That's my scariest one.
It's not going to get any easier, buddy.
I think I saw one of those when I came home Friday night.
What?
A six-eyed squirrel.
Listen.
What?
I'm happy that dream didn't come true, but for a second I actually thought I saw one of those creepy blue eyes and black stripes on the squirrel I saw that jumped on top of me. And I think I was just seeing things. I was just seeing things.
Probably.
I don't know, why is the girl with the black stripe with its eye on the head?
We'll study philosophy. So you have to think about things like that. Tell what you're not dreaming right?
What's Luke doing? You put tracks?
Slap myself in the face. Because I woke up from a
Wake up right now.
Oh yeah? Punch me in the stomach as hard as you can.
So that's all before you
So far I've never been hurt.
That's a good point.
But whenever a bad thing happens to me, I wake up. And I remember once it happened before me. When I was sitting on the dock on the leave, I was like sitting on the deck and I was on the bed. I fell into the water.